In a vast, verdant savannah, where the sun kissed the earth each day, there lived a swift gazelle named Gingo and a slothful tortoise named Togu. Gingo, a creature of grace and speed, was admired by all for her agility and swiftness. Togu, on the other hand, was slow and lethargic, often taking twice the time to accomplish even the simplest of tasks. One hot, scorching day, the sun beat down upon the savannah with unyielding intensity. Gingo, feeling the heat, decided it was time to seek the cool shade of the acacia trees. Togu called Gingo as she raced past the tortoise. "Let us journey together to the acacia grove." Togu, however, was slow to respond. He yawned, stretching languidly, and replied, "I'll meet you there soon, Gingo. I'm not in a hurry." Gingo, though disappointed, continued on her way, her heart heavy with concern for her friend. As she reached the acacia grove, she found it was already filled with creatures seeking solace from the heat. "Togu," she called again, but there was no sign of the slow tortoise. She searched and called, but to no avail. As the sun began to set, Gingo realized that Togu was missing. Fear gripped her heart, and she raced back to their home, calling out for her friend. Finally, she found Togu, lying beneath a bush, panting and lifeless in the scorching heat. Gingo's heart raced with fear and sorrow, and she knew she had to act fast to save her friend. She gently nudged Togu, urging him to move. But Togu was too weak, too far gone. Gingo knelt beside him, tears streaming down her face, and promised to never forget the lesson she had learned. From that day forward, Gingo became vigilant, always mindful of the dangers of complacency and the importance of action. She made it her mission to help others in need, knowing that time was a precious and fleeting commodity. In the end, Gingo's swift actions saved many lives and reminded all the creatures of the savannah of the importance of seizing the day and acting with haste when time was of the essence. And as for Togu, though he was gone, his memory lived on, a reminder to all that sloth and complacency could lead to dire consequences. The moral of the story: act with haste when time is of the essence, for tomorrow is never guaranteed.